Ever miss the door because you were in another room? Or upstairs with the TV on? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for smart, practical home tech that actually makes life easier. Meet the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, a smart dual-camera doorbell that gives you a wider, clearer, and more detailed view of your front door and surroundings. With sharp video quality, intelligent motion detection, and instant phone alerts, it helps you easily monitor visitors, packages, and all activity anytime, from anywhere, keeping your home safe and secure. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340. Mounting bracket. USB-C charging cable. 15-degree wedge mount. Screws and anchors. Wire extension. Detaching pin. Security or warning stickers. Indoor chime, if you order the bundle with the chime. Quick start guide or user manual. Technical specifications. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 comes with a 2K HD front camera and a 1080p downward camera, giving you complete coverage of your front door and the area below. It offers a wide field of view, approximately 160 degrees horizontal for the front camera and 97 degrees downward, so nothing goes unnoticed. The doorbell connects easily via Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, and you can power it either with the built-in rechargeable battery of around 6,500 mAh or hardwire it to 8 to 24 volts AC for continuous operation. It features color night vision up to 5 meters and two-way audio with noise cancellation, allowing you to see and talk to visitors clearly. Advanced AI detection identifies humans, faces, and packages, sending smart motion alerts right to your phone. Recordings are stored on the internal 8GB storage, expandable through Homebase, without any subscription fees. The doorbell works with existing or optional Eufy chimes, integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, and is fully weather-resistant with an IP65 rating, capable of handling typical outdoor temperature ranges for reliable year-round operation. Product features. The Eufy E340 features a powerful 2K HD front camera, along with a 1080p downward camera, providing complete coverage of your front door and the area immediately below. This ensures you never miss visitors, deliveries, or any unusual activity at your doorstep, giving you full peace of mind. Advanced AI-powered detection technology can identify humans, faces, and packages, sending instant motion alerts directly to your smartphone. You can also adjust detection zones to focus on specific areas, minimizing false alerts and ensuring you're only notified about what matters most. Even in low-light conditions, it delivers clear color night vision up to 5 meters, helping you see important details even after dark. This improved visibility allows you to recognize visitors, monitor packages, and keep an eye on activity at your doorstep throughout the night. The doorbell offers versatile installation with either the built-in rechargeable battery of approximately 6,500 mAh for a wire-free setup or hardwiring to 8 to 24 volts AC for continuous operation. This flexibility makes it easy to install in nearly any home, while ensuring reliable, uninterrupted performance. App connection. Download the Eufy Security app from your phone's app store and open it. Sign into your account or create a new one if you're using it for the first time. After logging in, allow the required permissions so the app can detect and manage your smart devices properly. Inside the app, tap the Add Device button and choose Video Doorbell E E340 from the list of available devices. Make sure the doorbell is powered on, then follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, scan the QR code on the doorbell to start the pairing process. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network in the app and enter the password to connect the doorbell. Keep the device close to your router during setup for a stable connection. Once the pairing is complete, the app will confirm the setup and your doorbell will be ready to send alerts, show live video, and monitor activity at your front door. How to install. Choose a suitable location near your front door where the camera can clearly capture visitors and packages. Hold the mounting bracket against the wall and mark the screw positions. Drill the holes if necessary, insert the wall anchors, and secure the bracket firmly using the provided screws. Turn off the power to the doorbell circuit for safety. Then attach the existing wires to the terminals on the back of the doorbell. This wired setup provides a constant power supply, so you won't need to remove the doorbell for battery charging, and it can operate reliably at all times. Align the doorbell with the installed mounting bracket and carefully slide it downward until it clicks and locks securely into place. Once attached, gently press on the doorbell to make sure it is firmly fixed and does not move. Check the camera angle to ensure it faces your entryway properly, allowing the front camera to capture visitors while the lower camera clearly monitors packages and activity near your doorstep. Safety tips. Avoid extreme weather. Turn off the power before setup. Use recommended power only. Keep receivers dry and ventilated. Clean gently and regularly. Test the doorbell periodically. Product comparison. The Philips 7000 series features a compact, modern design with an IP67 weather-resistant rating, providing strong protection against dust, rain, and harsh outdoor conditions. In comparison, the Eufy E340 also offers a durable plastic build, but comes with an IP65 weatherproof rating, which still protects against rain and dust, but is slightly less resistant to extreme environments. The Philips 7000 series delivers 2K HD dual-camera video, designed to capture both visitors and packages clearly at your doorstep with enhanced vertical coverage. Meanwhile, the Eufy E340 also uses a dual-camera system with a wider viewing angle of around 160 degrees, offering broader front door coverage and improved visibility of packages on the ground. The Philips 7000 series runs on a large rechargeable battery with up to 10,000 mAh capacity and also supports optional 8 to 24 volts AC wired power for continuous charging. In contrast, the Eufy E340 includes a smaller built-in rechargeable battery with an estimated battery life of up to about 120 days, depending on usage and motion activity. Pros and cons. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 offers excellent features, including a dual camera setup with a 2K front camera and a 1080p downward camera for full doorstep coverage, sharp high-resolution video, and built-in local storage, so you don't need a subscription. It also includes smart AI detection for humans, faces, and packages, flexible power options with battery or hardwired setup, color night vision for clear low-light footage, two-way audio, easy installation, and a reliable app interface. It's weather-resistant with an IP65 rating and works with many existing doorbell chimes. On the flip side, it lacks Apple HomeKit support, only works with Alexa and Google Assistant, records motion-based clips instead of continuous video, and heavy use can drain the battery faster. Some users also note occasional notification delays, a learning curve during setup, minor fisheye distortion, and a limited accessory ecosystem. Overall, it's a versatile, reliable, and feature-packed smart doorbell for modern home security. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.